I'm going to talk to you a little bit about removing a load-bearing wall from your home. There's a few key things that need to be done before these walls can be removed. When a contractor shows up to your home, he should be able to tell you whether or not walls are load-bearing or not, and if he can't tell you, he should have the resources in place to be able to get that information and find out what needs to be done to remove these walls. With that comes an engineer. The engineer can provide a set of drawings. Once you have a set of drawings, you can then apply for a permit to have the wall removed. Everything we do regarding structure requires a permit. So don't let contractors tell you that you can remove walls, key walls in your home to hold it up without getting a permit. When you go to resell your home, the future buyer can then call you out on the changes that you've made, and you're going to have to prove, one, that it was done right, and two, was it done with an engineered set of drawings and a permit. And it can cause you a lot of headaches in the future.